Hello my gorgeous souls, I am makeup artist Sitli Mukherjee and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing the most requested video of all times on my channel, and that is the Minimalist AHA plus BHA ka review. And yes, I am not only doing that, plus I am doing the comparison between these two, which is the Ordinary peel and the Minimalist peel, and ye dono काफी similar hai, and we all know that this is particularly meant to be a dupe of this Ordinary one. Now I'll tell you whether this is worth the hype and if this matches to it and everything that you need to know about these two products. तो आपको इसका भी रिव्यू मिलेगा, दोनों का कंपैरिजन भी मिलेगा, and I will also talk to you about what is exfoliation, हमको कितना बार exfoliate करना चाहिए, हमको exfoliation क्यों करना चाहिए, and all that basic questions. So if you are interested, then please keep watching, and if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my videos, because I can tell you बहुत कुछ आने वाला है and it will be super exciting and of course informative, because that's the whole vibe about my channel. I want to inform you guys about everything that I know, and also please follow me on my Instagram. I do reels, stories, you will see the behind the scene actions and also the makeup tutorials. So if you're interested, then please go follow me there. Now without any further blabbering, let's get right into it. So if you are only interested to know about the Minimalist review, then you can start watching from here, but then I will definitely ask you guys to listen to this entire thing, because chemical exfoliation can be a boon for your skin if correctly used, and if you don't use it properly, then it will do more harm to your skin than good. So I will ask you guys to listen to each and everything that I am saying, because मैं आपको बहुत ही easy way में बताऊंगी. I am not going to tell you major science वाले things. I will not be telling you about all the scientific things and all. I will just tell you the basics जो आपको जानना है, and उसके ऊपर base करके ही you can make your own informed decision. So yeah, it will not be a nerdy one, it will be an informative one, and just the right information that you will be needing from this video. And before anyone asks me this question, let me clarify, I am not wearing anything on my face except for the tint, which is on my lips and also on my cheeks. Except that I have not done anything. I have not even applied mascara, I have not even done my brows. There is absolutely nothing on my skin. Now let's start with the basic question. What do you mean by exfoliation? So exfoliation is the process of removal of the dead skin cells sitting on the top layer of your skin, which in turn helps the new baby skin to come onto the surface and gives you that fresh, youthful, baby soft skin. If you guys don't know, then हमारा skin every 30 days में अपने आप को renew करता है. It sheds off the old skin and the new skin comes onto the surface. There are main two causes जिसकी वजह से ये delay हो जाता है, and that is firstly because of age. Yes, age does that to you. अब जितना age होगा उतना ही आपका जो skin आने में उसको time लगता है. Therefore आप कभी भी जब एक बच्चे को देखोगे and उसका skin देखोगे, it will always be very smooth, क्योंकि उनका ये process बहुत ही fast होता है. Once you enter your 20s, it slowly starts to decrease, and with age obviously it decreases even further. And the second reason is sun damage. Sun damage is a real thing, you guys. So whenever someone tells you that you need to apply your sunscreen regularly and religiously, you need to take them seriously. बहुत जन होते हैं, नहीं, I don't want, I don't care. Don't do it. You are only doing harm to your skin and nothing else. If you don't even do anything with your skin just to moisturize and sun protect your skin, आपका skin better होगा बहुत सारे जन से. Even if someone is doing so many other steps but they are not following up with the sunscreen, then there is no point of doing anything, to be honest. The next question comes कि हमको exfoliation करना क्यों है? The first reason that I told you कि exfoliation हमारा वो baby soft skin surface पे लाने के लिए help करता है, and therefore our new skin feels very soft and luminous and obviously fresh. And उसके अलावा भी आप इसको इसलिए use करोगे because it also helps you with hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, with scars, acne scars, and overall texture of your skin. The next question is, how many times should we actually exfoliate our skin? So if you are a beginner, I will firstly ask you guys to patch test each and everything that you put on your face. कोई भी अगर ingredient है आपके skin care में which is exfoliating and which has acids, I will always ask you guys to do a patch test on the back of your ears, because ये जगह भी हमारा काफी sensitive होता है and it is very close to the skin of our face. And patch test करने के 24 to 48 hours बाद अगर आप देख रहे हो कि आपके यहाँ पे कुछ भी reactions नहीं हो रहा, then you can go ahead with this product. And आप इसको use करोगे one time if you are starting at first. The first time when you apply it on your skin, make sure you do not leave it on your skin more than 5 minutes, because यहाँ पे बोला जाता है you can use for 10 to 15 minutes, but I will ask you guys to start with 5 minutes only. आप देखो कि आपकी skin पे क्या reaction हो रहा है, and if you can tolerate that 5 minutes, then of course you can do it the next time with 10 minutes, but firstly you start with 5 minutes. Now let's talk about कि कितने टाइप के एक्सफोलिएशंस होते हैं, एंड वी ऑल नो यहाँ पे 2 टाइप के एक्सफोलिएशंस होते हैं. वन इज द फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएशन जो हम बहुत सालों से कर रहे हैं, एंड द सेकंड इज केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन जो अभी कुछ सालों से ही बड़ा ट्रेंड में आया है. So in physical exfoliation, there are two types of physical exfoliation. One is the scrubs, the granular scrubs, जो आप अपने skin के against rub करते हो, and it removes the dead skin cells. And the next one is all those brush heads and any tools that you're using to exfoliate. तो वो भी physical के अंदर ही आता है. For example, if you are using the WOW का जो brush head आता है, वो अगर use कर रहे हो, Foreo use कर रहे हो, any of the tools that you're using, and it helps in exfoliating your skin, then you are doing a physical exfoliation. And I will ask you guys not to go for physical exfoliation, but for chemical exfoliation. And physical exfoliation maybe if you're using the granules, then also it's fine, but बहुत जन बोलते हैं कि उसमें micro tears आ जाते हैं, which can be the case अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा rigorously आपके skin को rub कर रहे हो. Like if you go in very hard with your scrubs, then obviously you will cause micro tears in your skin, which you definitely don't want because it will harm your skin. क्योंकि अगर micro tears हो जाएंगे उसमें आपको pollution, gunk and वो सब घुस जाएगा, and that will result in more bad and more acne. And if you're very gentle with your scrub, then that should be fine, and it will definitely not cause any micro tears on your skin. But the physical tools that we use, मैं आपको बोलूँगी वो सब definitely आप मत use करो, and I personally don't like it, and especially if you have acne prone skin and especially if you have sensitive skin, वो सब बहुत ही harsh होते हैं. वाओ का जो फेस वॉश आता है, that brush head wala, oh my god, every time I see that ad I am like no, this needs to stop, no one should be buying it. वो बहुत ही harsh होता है आपकी skin के लिए, and you don't want to do anything harsh with your skin. It is very fragile and you have to take that extra care of it. हमारा हाथ का या पूरे body का skin एकदम different होता है, and it is 10 times more tougher than our face skin. So we have to be extra gentle with our face skin. Therefore, I will ask you guys, if you want to go for physical scrubs, you can, but then do not go for the exfoliating tools. Now, if you ask me which is better, chemical or physical, I will definitely say that chemical exfoliation is much better, and it is not only because I am saying, but it is proven to be better. And मैं आपको इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि physical scrubs उतने easily और उतने अच्छे से efficiently it does not remove your dead skin cells. But chemical exfoliation, because ये एक acid है, it actually eats up all the dead skins and आपका वो fresh new skin वापस आ जाता है. So chemical exfoliation भी two types की होते हैं. One obviously of the acids, and the second is the cellulose one, जो कि also it gives you the feeling of physical scrubs like the Visuals Yo Glow scrub pack का एक peeling mask आता है, वो cellulose mask है, and that is also chemical exfoliation, but then वो cellulose balls up and आपको वो mental satisfaction रहता है कि you are actually scrubbing your skin out with the physical exfoliator, whereas वो exfoliator is both a chemical and a physical one. So chemical exfoliation uses hydroxy acids to exfoliate your skin. So there are three types of hydroxy acids. One is the AHA, one is the BHA, and the new one is the PHA. So chemical exfoliation uses two types of acids. One is the hydroxy acids and the second one is the retinoic acid. So that is more of retinoid A and tretinoid जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, and I will again make a video if you guys want it. But today we'll talk about the hydroxy acids. So hydroxy acids में तीन तरह के categories आते हैं. One is the AHA, the second is the BHA, and the third is the PHA, which is the most underrated one, and it is best suited for sensitive skin. The AHAs are the alpha hydroxy acid, which is water soluble. The second is the BHA, which is the beta hydroxy acid, which is oil soluble. The third is the PHA, which is the polyhydroxy acid, and it is the combination of many hydroxy acids, and it is much suitable for sensitive skin people. Most famous three types of acids are glycolic acid, lactic acid, and the most underrated one, mandelic acid. So the molecules of the glycolic acid are very small, and therefore it penetrates deeper into our skin, and सबसे ज़्यादा छोटे molecular sizes इसके ही है, and therefore it is the more potent one, and it is not really good for people with very sensitive skin or people with very dry skin, rosacea skin. But the one thing that you should actually know about glycolic acid is कि अगर कोई भी time आपको कोई glycolic acid लगाने से आपकी skin पे burning sensation हो रहा है, या if you are getting irritated, then you definitely need to splash some water and the irritation will soothe down, because as I told you guys earlier that glycolic acid is a water soluble acid, so water neutralizes that acid and it calms down your skin. The second type is the lactic acid, which is found in milk or curd, and ये हमारे दादियाँ नानियाँ बहुत यूज़ करती थी कि फेस पे दही लगा लो, फेस पे मिल्क लगा लो, and that is what they used to do back then. But now it has been proved that milk में या curd में उतना lactic acid नहीं होता है to exfoliate your skin, and therefore you need a lactic acid separately if you want to exfoliate your skin through lactic acid. It hydrates your skin, it retains the moisture, and therefore it is one of the most hydrating acids that you can find in the market, and therefore it is very suitable for dry skin people. The molecular size of this acid is also bigger than the glycolic one. Therefore, it is more suited for sensitive skin people because it is not that irritating. Third type is the mandelic acid, which is the most underrated acid, to be honest, and this is derived from almonds. It has larger molecular structure, and therefore it does not penetrate very deep into your skin, and therefore it makes a very non-irritating acid, and it also has the properties of lactic acid, which is it helps in retaining the moisture and it hydrates the skin very well. Now let's talk about the BHAs. BHAs are oil soluble, and if you remember, I told you that AHAs are water soluble, and this is oil soluble, and therefore it goes deeper into your skin and also pulls out the excess oil, the sebum, unclogs the pores, and it also helps with your blackheads blackheads and the extra gunk in your skin, and it pulls out all the dirt and the grime and therefore makes your pimple vanish very quickly. And therefore it is the best acid for treating acne and also sun damage. Most famous type of BHA is salicylic acid, and we all know कि वो Disprin के जो tablets होते थे वो हम लोग बचपन में लगाते थे, and also the Marie Birescu one, and also the patches that comes, वो Korean patches होते हैं, उसमें भी salicylic acid होता है, and therefore it dries out your pimples very quickly, overnight almost, within 20 to 48 hours. It all happens because of the salicylic acid, which pulls out all the grime and the oil from your pimples. So salicylic acid is best suited for oily skin people, and if you're from the dry skin family, then it might actually dry out your skin. But then again, you have to use it in the correct way. The third and the last one is the PHA, which I already told you guys. It's an amalgamation of many hydroxy acids. Poly means many, and hydroxy acids, as I told you. So दोनों का combination is polyhydroxy. It also existed before, but abhi now skincare companies are more going into it and researching more about it, and also putting ingredients in their skincare. इसकी वजह से इसके बारे में बात start हो रहा है. इसके पहले companies were only talking about AHAs and BHAs, but PHAs are one of the most nicest acids that you can use on your face, especially if you have sensitive skin, rosacea skin, eczema prone skin, and sensitive skin in general. Because इसका जो molecular size होता है, it is much larger than AHAs and BHAs, and therefore ये बहुत gently आपकी skin को exfoliate करता है, and obviously the results are not very dramatic. Like the results will be more dramatic with AHAs and BHAs, but the polyhydroxy acids, अगर आप continuous use करोगे तो you will definitely see a result from it, but then it takes time to show results, unlike AHAs and BHAs. So now that you know everything about chemical exfoliation, AHAs, BHAs and PHAs, सब कुछ learn कर लो. मुझे चाहिए कल homework. Now let's finally talk about these two products जिसकी वजह से probably you have clicked onto this video. So this is the Minimalist AHA 25% patch. This is the Be Minimalist AHA 25% plus PHA 5% and BHA 2%, and this is the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. So इसमें 25% AHA है, इसमें 30% BHA, इसमें 5% PHA भी है, but इसमें 5% PHA नहीं है, and the 2% salicylic acid is common in both. So first let's talk about the price. The price of the Minimalist one is $699, and the price for this depends again from where you are getting it, but $1,600 to $1,800 is what I have seen on the internet. The next major difference between these two is this is water, the base of it is water, and the base of this is aloe vera juice. So if you are someone who is allergic to aloe vera juice, then you will definitely not like it, and ये आपको breakout दे सकता है. And also this one contains turmeric, so if you are allergic to turmeric, then you shouldn't be buying it. And this has water, so obviously it will suit everyone. The next most stark difference between two is the addition of PHA 5% in this, and this does not have it. This is a 30% AHA, whereas this is only 25%. I am saying 25, but it is a lot. So because of the addition of PHA, it is actually quite less irritating than this one, and it is quite calming than this one. Because as I told you guys, polyhydroxy acids are one of the most best suited for sensitive skin people, and it also works very smoothly without any irritation. Both of these masks, you are supposed to use it for 10 minutes at max, and you shouldn't be going more than that, क्योंकि बहुत जन होता है कि नहीं 10 मिनट बोले but I'll go to 15 minutes or 20 minutes ताकि बहुत अच्छा exfoliation हो जाए and मेरा सारे दाग धब्बे एक ही टाइम पे चले जाएंगे. No guys, that's not happening. Never try that. Never even think of doing it, because these are ultimately acids जो आपके skin के लिए अच्छा कर सकता है only if you use as per directions, and अगर आप directions नहीं मानोगे तो it will do more harm to your skin than any good. Both of these does not have any bad ingredients as far as I am concerned. मुझे कोई खराब ingredient नहीं लगा. These does not have fragrance, which is of course great, so great. So now let me show you guys how it actually looks. This is also called the Vampire Facial because it is definitely red in color, that's why. And आप देख सकते हो, this is the runny texture of the peel. Yeah. So that is how this looks, and now I'll show you the Minimalist one. Again you can see it is quite thick in texture. as आप देख रहे थे ये बहुत ही runny था, ये आप देख रहे हो कि इतना runny नहीं है because of the aloe vera juice, which is also anti-inflammatory, and it also hydrates and soothes your face. So this is how it looks. Also the texture, this is not as sticky as this. Like मैं ये use करती हूँ and ये थोड़ा नीचे इधर इधर करके गिर रहा है, and it has been so sticky since then, like बहुत sticky है, which is a little annoying, but then that's okay. If it is working on my skin, that's good. तो इसके लिए मुझे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but just to let you guys know, this is very sticky. Also, I've been using the Ordinary Peel for the past 2-3 years now. This is my second or third bottle, and my husband is also using it, and he also loves it. And he's from the oily skin family, and I'm from the dry skin family, as you guys already by now should know. I think you should know. If you don't know, I'm sad. But the Ordinary Peel is very potent, and it actually stings your skin, and I've been using it for the past 2 years and still it stings me. And my husband bhi use kar rahe last 1 year se, and he also feels the same. Whereas the difference between this is it does not sting one bit also. So I think that is because of the aloe vera juice and also because of PHA 5%, which actually calms your skin and does not let the AHA irritate your skin that much. So now let's talk about the verdict. Which one do I prefer more and which will I recommend you guys more? So if you guys ask me if you are a newbie and if you are going into this chemical exfoliation world for the first time, then in दोनों में से आप कौन सा pick करो? Any day, any freaking day, I will recommend you guys this particular minimalist AHA 25% PHA 5% and 2% PHA. And also you guys should be using both of these. Even if you're using this, you can use this maximum of 2 days in a week maximum अगर आप intermediate level के हो तब. If you're new, then one time. Now if you ask me which is more potent and which helps in giving you that faster result, then I will say this is the way to go. This is very, very, very potent, and it almost, like, I will not say instantly vanishes all your scars, but it does actually do something very unique. And I will tell you to go for this only if you are at that intermediate level, because अब अगर start कर रहे हो इससे, then your skin might not be able to handle it and it will be too much for your skin and उससे और ज़्यादा breakout होगा और skin barrier खराब हो जाएगा. So that's why I will tell you to go for this if you are a beginner, and if you are an intermediate level, then you definitely need to go for this. But आपको बहुत ध्यान से use करना पड़ेगा, as I told you, and also you need to apply sunscreen after using both of these. Also you will use it at night and never in the morning. आप ये मत सोचना कि ये वाला काम नहीं करता. This definitely works and it actually makes your skin very smooth and supple, and it actually helps in removing the acne scars and the pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. But iska process thoda slow है than this because it is highly, highly, highly potent. That is all I wanted to tell you guys about these particular two products. Now let's summarize, and I will tell don'ts that you should. So now let me tell you the do's and the don'ts that you should be following while doing a chemical exfoliation routine. So the first do is you have to patch test, and before 48 to 72 hours prior of applying it all over your face. And secondly, you have to leave it on your skin for maximum of 5 minutes if you're starting with this product. And अगर आप देख रहे हो आपका skin is tolerating it, is capable of tolerating it, then you next time आप जब करोगे next week में, then you will do it for 10 minutes. The third point is you will start with once a week only, and only after using it for a few months, then you can bump it to 2 days a week and not more than that. You guys definitely don't need to use it more than twice, क्योंकि बहुत जनों को ये लगता होगा कि हम लोग जितना बार अप्लाई करेंगे शायद उतना जल्दी स्कार्स खत्म हो जाएगा, which is quite right. अगर वो हो, which is quite almost right कि हो सकता है, but then you have to imagine कि आप अपना स्किन कितना डैमेज करोगे. आपका स्किन एकदम पतला हो जाएगा, UV rays and वो सब आपको हिट करेंगे, तो शायद आपके एक्ने स्कार्स चले जाएंगे, but the sun damage will be there on your skin. The sun spots and all the damage that the sun will cause you will definitely be very visible on your skin. The fourth do is you will always apply it at night and not in the morning. रात को कोई भी चीज़ हम लोग जब अप्लाई करते हैं, it tends to sit better on our skin, it tends to work better on our skin. The most important do that you have to follow, अगर आप ये follow नहीं करोगे, then please don't start your chemical exfoliation journey, and that is, you all guys know, application of sunscreen and every 2 to 3 hours, even if you're sitting at home, because हम लोग जब अपने रूम में भी बैठे रहते हैं तभी भी हमारा sun rays तो आता ही है, it's not blocking the sun rays, so you will definitely apply your sunscreen and reapply it every 2 to 3 hours. Let's talk about the availability, and the Minimalist product can be found on the Minimalist website or also on Amazon.com. The Ordinary Spinning solution can be found on Amazon.com, but I will again not recommend you guys to go for that because इसके बहुत सारे replicas हैं and you will not be able to understand the difference कि कौन सा real है and कौन सा fake है. So definitely I will ask you guys to buy it from the Instagram stores or from Cult Beauty or Beautyway. So that point goes to the Minimalist one because it is more easily accessible, whereas this is not so easily accessible, and that is why this came into the picture, right? अगर ये accessible होता, then probably this would not have come out. So इसकी वजह से ये आ गया है, and the price difference is also huge. So if you are on a budget, then you might try looking for this and not this. So yeah, with that I finished my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new, and आपको जानना था कि इन दोनों का क्या difference है and कौन सा better है, and I will tell you guys कि दोनों ही better है, but depending कि आपका skin क्या चाहता है आपसे, आप कौन से position पे हो in your chemical exfoliation journey, and based on that you have to make your own decision. But both of these are love. I love both of these, and if you ask me particularly कि मैं कौन सा खरीदूंगी next time, then I will definitely say this, the Ordinary Peel, because I think I am in that level where I can take this, but yeah, I am also very satisfied with the Minimalist product. So I hope you enjoyed it, and also please let me know in the comment section below कि आपको और क्या-क्या videos देखने हैं मुझसे. What all the video requests, please put it down in the comment section below. And also the commenter of the day goes to this person. Thank you so much for talking to me in the comments. This means a lot to me. You guys know how much I love you, and आप लोगों का हर एक comment देख के love करके reply करने में जो मजा आता है ना, it's like something else only. So please continue talking to me in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys very soon. And till then, take very good care of yourselves. I love you, and bye.